Hello guys, welcome to the another video. So in this video we are going to talk about associate software engineer opening in Accenture. So this is very important for freshers who are going to or who are interested in Accenture. 15 days back when I was discussing with one of my friend who is working as an HR in Accenture, so she told me something that is very important for this interview. So we are going to discuss about all those things. So let's get started. So the experience range that is required for this role is 0 to 11 months. Next is the salary range is 4.5 LPA, that is your annum salary. Job is full time and location is Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, Mumbai, Chennai, Gurgaon and Kolkata and all those Indore, Jaipur, Coimbatore. These are the location available for which you can apply. Last stage is doesn't they haven't decided yet. Eligibility is very important. All branches are welcome, BE, Tech, ME, MTech, MCA. 22 and 23 batches student can apply because the experience range that is required 0 to 11, like within 1 year experience or within 1 year experience guys can apply for this associate software engineer post in Accenture. No active background during application and during onboarding. There should be no gap during the course and your degree. You must complete your BTech in 4 years, and that's why there is no gap or year gap between these things. Eligibility criteria, apart from that previous eligibility where we have discussed about the criteria or batch, which batch can apply, what is the post and other thing. Here we are going to discuss about few important thing like highest qualification. Only we consider whether you are graduate or postgraduate. Candidates should not have appeared Accenture recruitment process in last 3 months. So this is how companies conducting the interview. You have seen something like that. If you have appeared in one of the interview in last 6 months or 3 months, you are not eligible for that process. As 11 less than 11-month experience candidate is required. Candidate must be eligible to work in India by citizenship, have relevant work permit document. If you are from out of India like Bhutan, Nepal, you can also apply, but there are some constraints. Let's discuss about it. You are willing to work in business use service line within the company. Next is Bhutan and Nepal citizen or nationals can work in India without work visa permit. Other than that, other countries overseas citizen OCI or PIO card work in India. You are willing to join, relocate to any Accenture office in India. Next is the assessment process, and here you will get some detail. If you are eligible, you will receive an email, and according to that, you need to sign up or sign in, something like that, and you need to apply for that. Once you're completed, there you should have a dedicated time, and you need to complete within the scheduled time. So the first thing is mock interview. The link will contain the mock interview, and that you need to complete. As this is the mock interview, it will give you a hint like what all things they can ask you. So 20-minute mock interview practice assessment which you need to complete. Mock assessment is mandatory and it will ensure that you have right software. So it is something like feasibility study of your system, whether your system is allowing you to start the test or what are the configuration you have in your system. So that's all about the mock session. And moreover, you'll get some added advantage like how your actual assessment will work. Next is assessment is divided into 3 parts: assessment 1, assessment 2 and 3. The first one contains that is related to cognitive and technical assessment. You will get 90 minutes to complete this exercise, and that contain 50 questions: English eligibility, critical thinking and problem solving, and abstract reasoning related. Next is technical assessment, contains 40 questions, common applications on MS Office, as we all know MS Office. So question based on that, pseudocodes, some code related thing, and fundamental of networking, security, and cloud. So these are the basic things that will be part of this technical assessment. So the hint that we were talking about at the start of the interview or start of the session was there are some questions that might come from the previous assessment. Next is cognitive and technical assessment result will be notified in 5 to 10 minutes post completion. You will get a notification that you have cleared that round, and for the next round what all process will be there, you will be notified. So once you got the result of the first round, like you have cleared that, then in further mail you will get the coding assessment which you need to complete. The coding assessment will be 45 minutes. You will get 2 questions that you need to solve within time and using any language that you know, but constraint is that the language should be something like C, C++, .NET, Java, Python. So what all language are there, you need to select that and you need to write your coding assessment. Next is the third one, the communication, which is just the basic of English eligibility or English ability test, which contains vocab, fluency, sentence mastery, and pronunciations. So this is all about Accenture. In the upcoming video or in the next video, we will cover some important question or previous year questions that was asked in associate software engineer interview. So please stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed us, please subscribe us for more such videos. Thank you for watching, and that's it.